Visual Studio Code with no doubt is one of the popular code editor you can use as a programmer to write your code. It gives support to many programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, Swift, Go, C++, C#, and many of them. Being developed and maintained by Microsoft company, the code editor comes with a lot of powerful features and tools, from its own terminal, syntax highlighting, debugging tools, multiple layout display, thousands of extensions you can install which can speed up your workflow. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. So let's get started. Before proceeding with the following steps, be sure that your computer is connected to internet. Open any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome. On the Google search bar, type Visual Studio Code and hit enter like this. Click on the first link. Click on this link, download for Windows, and it's going to take you to the downloading page. The reason that I decided to pause my own is because I have already downloaded this file into my computer. But in your own case, allow the downloading process to continue and be completed. And once that is done, go ahead and minimize your browser like this and open your Windows Explorer. You can do this by using Windows E shortcut on your keyboard. Once your Windows Explorer opened, locate where the downloaded file is saved. So I will click on this, and as you can see, I have that downloaded file saved in here. Double click on this file and accept the terms and license of Microsoft company here by clicking this option of I accept the agreement. Click on next. If you want Visual Studio Code icon to be created on your desktop, go ahead and tick this option like this. But if you don't want Visual Studio Code icon to be created on the desktop, leave this unchecked and leave the other settings the way they are and click on next. Click on install, and Visual Studio Code is going to be installed on your computer. After the installation process, if you want to launch the Visual Studio Code immediately, go ahead and click on finished while this checked button is still here. But I don't want this Visual Studio Code to be launched immediately, so I will go ahead and click on check and click on finished like this. So since I'm done with this current folder, I will go ahead and exit everything here that I have on my screen. Now, in order for me to launch Visual Studio Code, I will simply click the start button in my Windows environment and type Visual Studio Code. Immediately I start typing, as you can see, I have seen the option of Visual Studio Code application showing here in my desktop environment. So I can go ahead and double click on it. Visual Studio Code will just open to show you that it has been installed successfully. So that is exactly how you can install Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer those. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, click that like button if you find this video useful, turn up your post on notification so that each time I post a new video like this, you will be notified to come check on it. Okay, with that being said, I hope to see you in the next one.